Guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is a collaboration sponsored video by TODDLER. And the first part of this video, you guys gonna see the demonstration how we use this product daily, and after the video you're gonna see the whole bath routine we have with Asher and all the products we use. So I'm very excited to show you guys this part of our day, and let's go ahead and start this video. But before, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave your comment, and thank you so much TODDLER to sponsor this video. Let's start it.
Hi guys, I'm here today to review a product sent to me by TODDLER. This is a bed kneeler and elbow rest set. As you guys can see, the arm rest has 6 strong suction cups to hold it in. Very comfortable, and you just need to place in your bathtub. Very easy. As you guys can see, it's very easy to place in your bathtub, and you just holding the sides. You have 2 pockets in the front and a big pocket in the back, so you can put toys for your kids and things you need. So you have the pad for your knees, and it's very comfortable. As you guys can see, it's so easy to set up. So this baby bed kneeler and elbow rest set is available on Amazon. Don't forget to check TODDLER. As you guys can see, everything started with Asher saying all done. We jumped to the bathroom. So we set the bed kneeling pad in elbow rest from TODDLER. So our current favorite product to use in Asher for his hair and body is this hair and body wash from Todd. Now we are using the lavender and rosemary. Every product is extra gentle and can be used safely on tiny newborns and toddlers. It's safe for sensitive skin, so helps a lot because Asher has eczema, and this being a struggle. The hair and body wash has been pediatrician tested and approved. All the products are formulated with natural ingredients. It's made in USA and is also vegan. So check their page. I'm gonna link all the products I'm using here today on my description box. So this video, it was made it on a Saturday, and we got home late, so it was almost bedtime and we had to rush. We are very strict with Asher's routine, and I'm gonna make a video about this and why. So we are using with Asher baby's towel, and it's a favorite because it's so gentle to kids with eczema and sensitive skin because it's made with bamboo. I wish I knew about this product before. We had better experience with the baby towels, especially because Asher has eczema and it's a perfect size. You will definitely save a lot of money because your baby will not outgrow of this towel for years. It's soft and very absorbent with a cutie design, also antibacterial. So now in his room, we use the Baby Buds diaper cream. It's from All In Baby Kids. It's a Canadian brand, 100% natural. We are in love with this brand and this product because it's really good in diaper rashes and you can prevent. It's 100% natural, and Baby Buds heals even the most severe irritations in 24 hours. So for his body, to control and help with eczema, I am using this amazing cream from Eczema Honeycomb. I will make a video exclusive about this cream because it's unbelievable good. I tried everything that is on the market, and Eczema Honey is a miracle, believe it. Gently reduce the redness and inflammation after a few days you're using. It's a baby's and kids safe. So I apply this on Asher's skin every single day, and I can see his skin is responding really well. It's all natural, it's made with organic oils, and it's not greasy, and I even use this to take it off my makeup sometimes. It works amazing. So now they're having a huge sale, so check their website, link it on my description box. So every night in the bedtime routine, we give Asher a milk. In this milk we put formula. He doesn't drink whole milk. I try everything. So mix with this formula. Every night we give it to him. The secret of tea is baby's magic tea, and he loves the taste, make his calm. So now you guys can see a quickly video how I make his tea every day. And now after he's ready to go, sometimes they're not easy because he's very tired, but this day we are lucky. So now after the milk we are going to the bathroom, and here we brush his teeth. He loves, like he's obsessed with that. And Dream Babe Safety has these amazing steps too, and makes a big difference and very easy. He feels so independent and is so cute to watch. So this is pretty much everything for our bath routine. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys want to see the mix with the bath routine and bed routine, I have a video linked here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave your comment, and thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.